Child support is money that one parent pays to the other parent to help with the costs of raising their child. It's a legal obligation that ensures the child's well-being. It helps to ensure that children have what they need, even if their parents are not together. This support is crucial for their development. This can include things like food, clothing, housing, and education. These essentials are vital for a child's growth and stability. Child support is not about punishing one parent or rewarding the other. It's about fairness and responsibility. It's about making sure that children have a fair chance in life. Every child deserves the opportunity to thrive. Every child deserves to be supported by both parents financially and emotionally. This support fosters a sense of security and love. Child support orders are usually put in place by a court. This legal framework ensures compliance and fairness. This happens when parents separate or divorce. The court steps in to protect the child's interests. Sometimes parents can agree on child support arrangements themselves. This can be a more amicable solution. However, it's a good idea to get a court order to make it official. This provides legal backing and clarity. The amount of child support that is paid can vary. It is calculated based on several factors. It depends on factors like the parents' incomes and the needs of the child. Each case is unique and requires careful consideration. The most important thing is that the child's needs are met. Ensuring their well-being is the ultimate goal of child support. Child support is usually paid to the parent who has primary custody of the child. This means the parent who takes care of the child on a daily basis, providing a stable home environment. This is the parent who the child lives with most of the time, ensuring their daily needs are met, from meals to schoolwork. The other parent, who has the child less often, typically pays the support. Custody arrangements can vary widely, depending on the family's situation. Sometimes parents have joint physical custody where both parents share equal time with the child. This means that the child splits their time equally between both parents, moving between two homes. In these cases, the parent with the higher income usually pays child support to the other parent, ensuring the child's needs are met in both households. It's important to remember that even if you were never married to the other parent, you may still be entitled to receive child support. This applies to all parents, regardless of their relationship status. The most important factor is the legal relationship between the parents and the child, which determines the responsibility for financial support. Child support is about the child's right to financial support from both parents, ensuring their well-being and stability. It doesn't matter if the parents were married, living together, or if they had a casual relationship. The child's needs come first, and both parents are responsible for contributing to their upbringing. If you need help getting child support, you can apply for services through your state's child support agency. Every state has an agency that helps parents get child support orders in place. They can also help enforce existing orders. To apply, you will need to provide some basic information. This usually includes the names and addresses of both parents. You'll also need the child's birth certificate and social security number. You can find your state's child support agency online. Just search for child support agency and the name of your state. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. These agencies are set up to help you through the process. Once you apply, the agency will start a case. They will locate the other parent and establish a child support order. They can also help collect payments and enforce orders if necessary. Good news. In most states, there is no fee to apply for child support services. That's right, it's usually free. The government understands how important it is for children to receive financial support. However, there may be some small fees associated with certain actions. For example, there might be a fee for serving the other parent with legal papers. There might also be a fee for genetic testing if paternity is in question. It's important to ask your caseworker about any potential fees. They can give you a clear idea of what to expect. Remember, the goal is to make sure the child gets the support they deserve. Don't let concerns about fees prevent you from applying for child support. Help is available, and it's often free. Section 5. Why child support matters. Child support is crucial for a child's well-being. It provides essential resources that children need to thrive. This includes basic necessities like food, clothing, and shelter, but it goes beyond that. Child support also helps cover the costs of education, healthcare, and extracurricular activities. These things are vital for a child's development and future opportunities. When children have their basic needs met, they are more likely to succeed in school. They are also more likely to be healthy, both physically and emotionally. Child support helps create a more stable and secure environment for children. This is especially important during times of family transitions, such as separation or divorce. Section 6. What does child support cover? Child support is meant to cover a wide range of expenses related to raising a child. The most basic needs come first: food, clothing, and shelter. These are essential for a child's survival and well-being. But child support goes beyond just keeping a roof over a child's head. It also helps cover the costs of healthcare. This includes doctor's visits, dental care, and any necessary medications. Education is another important area covered by child support. This includes school supplies, tuition, and extracurricular activities. Child support orders can also include provisions for childcare. This is especially important for parents who work or go to school. The goal is to ensure that the child is well cared for. Section 7. When does child support end? Child support typically continues until a child reaches the age of majority. This is usually 18 years old in most states. However, some states require support to continue until a child graduates high school, even if they turn 18 before graduation. In some cases, child support may continue beyond the age of 18. This might happen if the child has special needs that require ongoing financial support, and there is at least one state where child support continues until the age of 21, unless the child is otherwise emancipated. It's important to note that child support obligations are separate from college expenses. While some parents may agree to contribute to college costs, it's not automatically included in child support orders. It's always best to consult with an attorney or your state's child support agency. They can provide specific information about when child support ends in your situation. Section 8. Can child support orders change? Yes, child support orders can be modified or changed over time. Life is full of unexpected events, and circumstances can change for either parent. If a parent loses their job, for example, they can request a modification of the child support order. Similarly, if a child's needs increase, the custodial parent can request an increase in support payments. To modify a child support order, you need to file a petition with the court. It's important to have a valid reason for the modification. The court will consider the best interests of the child when making a decision. It's always best to consult with an attorney before attempting to modify a child support order. They can guide you through the process and help you understand your options. Section 9. Safety and protection for parents. We understand that safety is a top priority for parents, especially when dealing with potentially difficult situations. If you have concerns about your safety or the safety of your child, it's important to take precautions. Many child support agencies offer safeguards to protect parents. For example, you can request that your address be kept confidential. This means the other parent won't have access to your personal information. You can also choose to make child support payments through a secure online system. This eliminates the need for face-to-face interactions or sharing bank account information. If you have a restraining order against the other parent, inform the child support agency. They can take steps to ensure your safety during any interactions related to the case. Section 10. Dealing with difficult situations. We get it. Life can throw curveballs, and dealing with child support is no exception. Dealing with child support can be stressful, especially if you have a difficult relationship with the other parent. The emotional toll can be overwhelming. Disagreements and challenges may arise, but it's important to remember that the focus should always be on the child's best interests. Keeping this in mind can help guide your actions and decisions. If you encounter problems or have concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to your caseworker or a family law attorney. They are there to assist you. They can provide guidance and support in navigating challenging situations. Their expertise can be invaluable in finding solutions that work for everyone involved. Mediation is another option for resolving disputes. It offers a structured environment to address issues constructively. A neutral third party can help facilitate communication and find common ground between parents. This can be especially helpful when emotions run high. Remember, maintaining open communication with the other parent, even if it's difficult, can help create a more stable environment for your child. Consistent and respectful dialogue can make a significant difference. If you experience any form of harassment or threats, report it to the authorities immediately. Your well-being is crucial. Your safety and the safety of your child are paramount. Always prioritize creating a secure and loving environment for your child to thrive in. Section 11. Getting help and support. Navigating the world of child support can feel overwhelming at times, but remember, you're not alone. There are resources available to help you every step of the way. Your state's child support agency is a great place to start. They can answer your questions, provide guidance, and connect you with additional resources in your area. Don't hesitate to reach out to them for assistance. There are also numerous online resources available. Websites like childsupport.com and the Office of Child Support Enforcement, or OCSE, provide valuable information and support for parents. Remember, seeking help when you need it is a sign of strength. By understanding your rights and options, you can ensure that your child receives the financial support they deserve, allowing them to thrive and reach their full potential.